Hey folks, today we are going to cover create an audio transcript with Amazon Transcribe. So the lab detail is we are going to walk through AWS Transcribe and we will demonstrate how to create a text transcribe of a recorded audio file using Amazon Transcribe. So the first question is coming to the mind like what is Amazon Transcribe? So basically Amazon Transcribe is an advanced cloud-based automatic speech recognition service or ASR from the Amazon Web Services that convert audio into text and making it useful for transcribe phone calls, video content and various audio recording. It also transcribes audio and video files into text supporting various audio formats and languages. It offers real-time transcriptions for live audio streams and batch processing for pre-recorded audio files. It allows the use of custom vocabulary lists to improve accuracy for domain-specific term and proper noun. It can define and label individual speaker in conversation useful for meeting and call center recording. It easy integrated with the other AWS services and scale automatically to handle large volume of audio data. So now let's go with the task detail. So what we are going in the transcribe. So first we have to create a Amazon S3 bucket to upload an audio file. Then we need to create Amazon Transcribe transcriptions job. And after that, we are going to review transcriptions results. So let's get started. So now we need to create a bucket. So we have to write here S3 and in the S3 we need to create a bucket. So for that we have to take a bucket name there, right? All right, so we have the create buckets tab here. So we need to click here and we are going to provide the bucket name. So to be make sure bucket name should be unique, okay, in the AWS platform all over the world. So for now I am going to create bucket ng. What we are going here for the AWS transcribe, I can see lab, right? Name I think it should be a unique one. Okay, now I am going to leave it by default all these values for now. So just going to create a bucket and let me download one file. Mhm. Yeah. Okay, so now you can see we have the bucket. Hmm. Now, if you go enter into the bucket, so you will see the lot of section are there. Like we have the metadata, properties, permissions, management, access point. Yeah. So we will discuss in the Amazon S3 bucket section in detail. But right now we only need to upload the data here, the audio file. So I have already downloaded one file. So I am just going to show one audio file here. So let me check the thing where we have all right, we have the audio file. Now I am going to upload this file. So the file is going to be uploaded and now we have the meantime next task to create a Amazon transcribe, right? So how we can create a transcribe? So for that mm, I need to put here first the transcribe, yeah, the Amazon transcribe. Okay, so here I think I should follow the transcriptions job and into the job I need to create a job here. So you will see the lot of section are there. So we have the name for the particular job, and we have the some of the languages settings are there, right? So we are, I believe, not going to be change anything here except the name. So my transcribe job for ng as of now, right? John, not a John, it should be a job. Okay. Mhm. So we have the input data where we need to specify our audio file. So if I am going here, so yep, I have an audio file. So I have just take the audio file as a input data, as you see. Now keep everything as default and click on next. So if you click on next, so we have the configured job data, which is also optional. Sorry, my bad. So for now, I'm going to leave everything as default and going to create a job. So now wait for a minute, status change to be complete. Then we can review, okay, our transcript because status is in progress right now. So when it will be completed, then we have to open this job, and in the job, okay, the status is complete now. So you can see your audio transcriptions here. So the audio have on the machine learning content. So you will see here, okay, the text, what should be on the audio, the machine learning is employed, right? We have the content of that particular audio, and we have also the audio identification if you want to like a disable for the job, and we have the subtitle section, we have this new. But the main thing, when you provide the audio for the transcriptions job, right, or if you have like a lot of audios on the S3 bucket, so you can directly choose the bucket and all the audios can be transcribed here, right? And you can also check the more details in the application integration where we have the all detail in the JSON format, okay, and it shows like a what should be the API request if we are going to call it, right? So it's showing, okay, we have the transcribe job and the language code is in the US, and we have the hertz and we have the media, the main thing for the S3 path. Okay, and here's the example of response if you're working on the AWS transcript job APIs. So you will get these type of JSON data, and you can copy it and also go through it. Okay, what the content, what the values here, what the keys here, and in future if you're going to call the API in your like a third party application to use this Amazon transcript, so what will be the JSON at that time as a response. So thank you guys. Yep, we can meet in the another video. So have a great day. Bye bye.